Welcome to Biz AIO. In this video, to access the Tickets module, head to the left sidebar, click on Operations, and then select Tickets. This will take you to a detailed view of all raised tickets. You can see 3 tabs option here: Tickets, Bio, Links and Assets. You can select the time, duration and status for any ticket. You can also use the search bar to instantly locate tickets based on keywords or ticketed. You can see the 5 boxes here: total tickets, closed tickets, open tickets, pending tickets and resolved tickets. To raise a new ticket, click on Add Ticket. Fill in the ticket subject, select the requester, set an estimated closing date, and describe the issue in detail. Next, assign the ticket to a support group or agent, set its priority level, such as high, medium, or low. Once you've filled all required fields, click Save. The ticket will now appear in the main table, ready for tracking and resolution. You can view the ticket status here, and use the Action button to edit or view details. To see a ticket form, click on the ticket form, make the necessary changes, and then click Save. You can export the ticket data from here. And that's how you use the Tickets module in Biz AIO. Next, go to Buy a Link. You can use the search bar to find a specific link. To add a buy a link, click on Add Buy a Link and fill in the link name. Once done, click Save. After saving the buy a link, a new page will appear where you can view and edit your link. Click on Add Block. From here, you can add different blocks such as links, images, paragraphs, phone collectors, payment options like PayPal, and integrations with other platforms like websites, YouTube, and SoundCloud. Next, you can customize settings such as background theme, favicon, image, font, and spacing. You can also configure block hover animations, verified badge placement, branding options, protection settings, and SEO preferences. Once done, save the information. Here, you can view the status of your buy a link, as well as edit or view its details. You can export the buy a link data from here. Finally, select the Assets section. Here, you can view asset types, assigned employees, and their statuses. To find a specific asset, use the search function. To add an asset, click on Add Asset and fill in the required information such as asset name, asset type, serial number, value, and other relevant details. Once completed, click Save. You can view and edit assets from this section. You can also export the asset data from here. And that's how the operations module works for tickets, buy links, and assets in Biz AIO. To access asset settings, go to the sidebar, click on Settings, then scroll down and select Asset Settings. To add a new asset type, click the Add Asset Type button at the top. Now, enter the asset type name, for example, mobile, and click Save. From Action button you can edit or delete the asset type. And that's it. You now know how to manage asset types effectively in the Biz AIO platform.